Hey there! How is it going? Welcome to our channel. Today, I am gonna talk about something that is so important when it comes to weight loss, physical activity. Now, before you close this video, let me just say, exercise doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be fun and something you look forward to. Losing weight is not just about eating less and counting calories, it's also about burning calories and building muscle. And that's why we want to show you how to incorporate physical activity into your weight loss journey in a fun and sustainable way. First things first, let's set a goal. It doesn't matter if it's a certain number of pounds to lose, a certain body fat percentage, or a certain level of fitness, having a goal in mind will help you stay motivated and excited about your journey. So, take a moment to think about what you want to achieve, and let's make it happen. Now, let's find an activity that you love. We know that not everyone is a fan of running, so let's not force ourselves to do something we don't enjoy. Whether it's swimming, cycling, dancing, yoga, or even playing frisbee with your dog, find something that you look forward to doing. That way, exercising will be something you look forward to, and not a chore. Third, we need to make a schedule. We all have busy lives, so we need to set aside specific days and times for exercise, and make sure to stick to that schedule as much as possible. This will make exercise a regular part of your routine, and you'll start to see the results in no time. And remember, if you're ever feeling unmotivated, just think about how good that post-workout endorphin rush feels. As you progress in your physical activity, make sure to increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. This will help you continue to burn calories and lose weight, but also make sure to challenge yourself and not get bored. Mix it up, try different types of exercise, such as resistance training, cardio, and HIIT. This will keep your body guessing, and you will see the results in no time. And remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Lastly, and most importantly, get support. Having a friend, family member, or personal trainer to hold you accountable, cheer you on, and offer encouragement will help you stay motivated and on track. And remember, we are all in this together. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support, or even share your workout journey with us on social media. Nothing like a little friendly competition to keep you motivated. Remember, always consult with a doctor before starting any new exercise regimen. Incorporating physical activity into a weight loss plan is an essential step towards achieving weight loss goals. By setting a specific goal, finding an activity you enjoy, making a schedule, making it progressive, mixing it up, and getting support, you can make exercise a regular part of your routine and achieve your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and fitness. You got this. Let's make this journey fun and enjoyable.